Guys, lately, a lot of people has been asking me, bakit ako pumapayat? At bakit daw ako nagpapapayat? Okay, so, ang iba, sabi nila, may sakit ka ba? Diba? Sabi naman nila sa akin, huwag ka nang pumayat. Okay naman yung, okay naman yung katawan mo kasi matangkad ka naman. So, okay na, payat ka na. Okay, so, hindi ako payat actually. So, napansin lang siguro nila from my original weight. So, nag-lose weight kasi ako ng malaki. And, yun, siguro nahalata nila na pumayat ako. So, yeah, I'm thankful na napansin nila at nakita ko yung effective yung ginawa kong weight loss program. Okay, so, give me a few minutes. No, please finish this video. Allow me to share my 3 main reasons bakit gusto ko magpapayat in the first place at gusto ko maging fit. Okay, so number 1, gusto kong gawin ito para sa sarili ko. Okay? So my previous lab result is not okay. So, alam niyo na, pag hindi okay, diba, I will not give you the details kung ano yung hindi okay doon. So instead of starting to take medicines, I decided to change my lifestyle. And I created a habit actually so that I could regain my health and bring back my self-confidence. Okay, so being fit is self-respect. Okay? So it is discipline. Sinasabi ko nga, yung pagpayat is just a secondary. Okay? So bonus na yung pumayat ka. Ang gusto ko is maging healthy. Okay? So pag healthy ka, mas mahaba yung buhay mo. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Sa akin, naniniwala pa ako. Okay? It's a gift from God. So being healthy gives me the opportunity to live longer and enjoyable life. Wala kang sakit, you can do everything, you can eat all the food that you want, you can go anywhere kung may budget ka. Okay, so healthy ka. So wala kang nararamdaman, you can sleep well. Okay, so yun yung mga yun ang reason ko kung bakit gusto kong pumayat at maging healthy. Okay? So second, alam nyo ba kung anong reason ko? Second reason ko kung bakit gusto kong pumayat. Para sa asawa ko. Okay, siyempre para sa asawa ko at sa mga anak ko and at sa pamilya ko. So, yun, I need to be strong for them as a husband, as a father, as an ading, and as a kuya. Okay, so habang tumatanda tayo, juggling all our work, yung career natin, yung side hustles ko, okay? And of course, yung mga trabaho sa bahay, and then yung family affairs. So, I need to show up, whether rain or shine, and I have to continue my work on my fitness goals to get stronger and be healthy for the people that I love. Okay, so, yun po yung isa sa mga rason kung bakit gusto kong pumayat. So, I believe taking care of our body means taking care of our families better. So, may nakita ba kayo na tao na gustong pabigat sa kanyang pamilya? Siyempre, hindi, di ba? So, we need to be healthy for our families so we can serve and support them better. So, yun. Gusto kong supportan ng aking asawa kung ano man yung mga plano niya sa buhay, plano namin sa aming pamilya. And I want to carry my children, support them and keep up with them kasi ang lalaki na ng mga anak ko. So I need to keep up with them and to go with them kung saan nila gusto. And ayaw ko yung pagdating ng araw pag may gusto silang gawin, may nagsisik sila ng tulong sa atin as a parent, So ayaw ko yung pabigat ako para sa kanila. So I need to be healthy, I need to be strong, I need to be there for them. Okay, so gusto ko nandyan ako sa lahat ng chapter na kanilang buhay in every season of their life. Okay, so yon. And then the last main reason why I am taking care of my body. Okay, so sabi nga sa Bible, our body is the temple of the Lord. So how I care myself emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually is an act of stewardship, honor, and respect for the life I receive from God. Okay? So, the next time na tanungin nyo ako kung bakit ako nagpapapayat, so ang sagot ko is, gusto kong maging fit para sa sarili ko, para sa pamilya ko, para sa mga taong mahal ko, at para i-glorify si God. Okay, so that's all. Yan po ang 3 main reasons ko kung bakit gusto kong magpapayat. Happy Mother's Day to my Inna in heaven. I know you are there watching us here on earth. Okay, so please pray for us. And of course, to my wife, who's been busy, no, completing her book. Yeah, please subscribe. Please support my wife. So, meron siyang book entitled The Human Audit. So, ongoing na po yung production niya. I'm just want to promote yung kanyang book. Kung gusto yung bumili na kanyang book, please chat me. And of course, my sister-in-law, si Ate Ces, and my families and relatives, Happy Mother's Day to all, and God bless us all.